Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek. I'm a postgraduate teacher and my major subject is mathematics. Today we are going to review the topic the quadratic equation. So in this topic we will come across method of solving quadratic equation. So to solve the quadratic equation we have three methods: factorization method, completing square method, formula method. In the formula method we have a part discriminants. We will call the discriminant as delta, and here we have three cases. So before we get into the topic we have to know some few basic things. So here let me have a quick review of that. Constant. So constant means a fixed value, and variable means it is a varying, it's an unknown value. It can be any alphabet, we can use any alphabet. And coefficient, the number which is multiplied to a variable is called coefficient. For example, 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here 5 is an constant, x is variable, and this 3 is coefficient. So for a real life example for constant, if you take the length of this classroom, it is 5 meter. If you come and see tomorrow also, the length will be same 5 meter. But variable, example for variable, age, your age, day by day you are getting older. So it will be a best example for the variable. These are the three things we have to know in this topic. So three basic things. Again, if you go to the topic solving quadratic equation, here we have so many polynomial equations are there: linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, biquadratic equation. Based on the powers, the highest exponent of the variable, we will determine what type of equation. So now here quadratic equation solving, we have three types. First one is factorization method. So factorization method, here we use to solve this by splitting the middle terms. So here for example, x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. We have to find the root of the quadratic equation. So in quadratic polynomial we will call it as zeros. In quadratic equation we will call it as roots. So how to find these roots? So first of all, here we have x square plus 7x plus 12. So when we multiply we have to get 12, and when we add we have to get 7. So what are the options we have? If we take 4 and 3, 4 3s are 12, 4 plus 3 7. So here we can add like this: x square 4 plus 4x plus 3, so 3x plus 12 equal to 0. So when we multiply 4 into 3 we will get 12. When we add 4x plus 3x we will get 7x. So now here take the common terms. So here what is common in x square and 4x? X is common. If we take x as common, what is the remaining here? X. X into x, x square. Plus here remaining 4 into x, 4x. Now here if you what we can take common outside, we can take common 3. If we take 3 as common, what is remaining here? X plus 4. 3 4s are 12, which is equal to 0. Now x plus 3, x plus 4 is equal to 0. So now we have to equate this separately to 0. So case 1, x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x will be equal to plus 3 goes to the other side of the equation, it changes to minus 3. And second case, x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x plus 4 goes to the other side of the equation, changes to minus 4. So here the roots of the following quadratic equation is minus 3 and minus 4 are the root of the following quadratic equation. And this is factorization method, and next one is called completing square method. In completing square method, we will square and add. Let us see here. For example, we can take the question x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is also quadratic equation. Highest degree of the variable is square, so it is quadratic equation. First step we have to write x square plus 4x, and this minus 5 takes to the other side of the equation, it will change it to plus 5. So x square plus 4x is equal to plus 5. Next we have to square and add one number, which is b by 2 whole square. B is nothing but the coefficient of the x, where the coefficient of the x square will be a and this constant term will be c. So b by 2 whole square we have to add. So x square plus 4x. What is b? Is 4. Here I will write side. A is equal to a coefficient of x square is nothing there. So if there is no coefficient, we can take the coefficient as 1. And here coefficient of x is 4. So b is equal to 4. And the constant term is here minus 5. So now we are adding b by 2 whole square both sides of the equation. Add both sides. So now x square plus 4x plus what is b? 4. 4 by 2 whole square plus equal to 5 plus 4 by 2 whole square. So now here x square plus 4x. What is 4 by 2? 4, 2, 1 is 2, 2, 2 are 4, 2 square is 4 equal to 5. Same, 2, 1 is 2, 2, 2 are 4, 2 square is 4, 5 plus 4. So here it is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 9. We will get like this. Now we already know the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here, see here, x square plus this 4x we can write 2 into x plus this 4 we can write 4 square. See here, a square b square 2ab. So 2 into x into 2 or 2 into x. So this one we can write it as x plus 2 whole square is equal to 9. So what we got here? X plus 2 whole square is equal to 9. So we can take to the other side 9. So x plus 2 whole square minus 9 is equal to 0. So we will get the in the form a plus b whole square minus b square is equal to 0. So here we can write x plus 2 whole square. This 9 we can write it as 3 square. By using this, now we will find the roots of the equation. So here x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to this minus 3 goes to other side, it will change to plus 3. So plus 9 we will get. So first case, so x plus 2 whole square is equal to 9. So x plus 2 is equal to square root of 9. So x plus 2 is equal to what is square root of 9? 3. 3 square is 9. So when we are taking square root, we will have two things, plus or minus. It can be plus 3. Plus 3 into plus 3, 9. Minus 3 into minus 3 also 9. So x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 3. So here we will take it as first one, x plus 2 is equal to plus 3 we will take. So which is equal to x plus 2 is equal to plus 3 means then x is equal to plus 3 minus 2. Plus 3 minus 2. So which is equal to, what is plus 3 minus 2? It is 1. Then x is equal to 1. Second case, x plus 2 is equal to minus 3 we can take. So x is equal to minus 3 plus 2 goes to other side, minus 2. So x is equal to minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. So here the root of the given quadratic equation is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 5. This is completing square method. And we have another one method is called quadratic formula. So quadratic formula. Quadratic formula method. Here first we should know the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is equal to x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Now we will write one quadratic equation and we will solve the question. So here we can write the quadratic equation, take it as x square plus 4x plus 3. This is the quadratic equation. So here what is a? A is equal to 1, coefficient of x square. Next what is b? B is equal to 4, coefficient of x. Next c is what? 3. So here a, b, c. We got a, b and c. Now x is equal to minus 3 means minus 4 plus or minus root of b square. What is b? 4. So 4 square minus 4ac. 4 into what is a? 1 and what is c? 3 divided by 2a. So 2 into what is a? 1. So now solve it. So minus 4 plus or minus root of what is 4 square? 16 minus 4 into 1? 4. 4 into 3? 12. 16 minus 12 divided by 2. So next, x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus, now 16 minus 2, root 4 divided by 2. So which is equal to minus 4 plus or minus what is root 4? Root 4 is 2 divided by 2. So here we will get like this. Now here also we have two cases, plus or minus 2. So first we can take x is equal to minus 4 plus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 divided by 2. So minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Second case, x is equal to minus 4 minus 2 divided by 2. So which is equal to minus 4 and minus 2. So minus 4 minus 2 same sign, add and put same sign. So minus is divided by 2, which is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3. So what are the roots here? X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 3 are the roots. So this is the another method to find the roots of the quadratic equation, and this method is called the quadratic formula method. And last we have the nature of roots. So in nature of roots, if determinant value which is root of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means we will have real roots, real and equal roots. Real and equal roots we have. If determinant value is equal to, so b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means we will have real and distinct root. Last one. So here determinant value b square minus 4ac, which is less than 0 means we will have imaginary roots. So these are the three cases. So thank you, teachers.